Hi there, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my another new video. This is Mizan and also I'm with you. Um, Today I'm talking about important things, that is English speaking practice. English is an international language, we know that, but many of us we don't talk in English very fluently, effectively, because we are afraid uh, when we're gonna to talk about in English. We're very afraid. We are feeling shy. It's a problem. English, uh, English is just a language, not any other thing. We should not afraid about English. We just practice regularly. If we practice regularly, 30 minutes, even 1 hour, then it's very easily to achieve this English speaking practice. So many of us, many of them said that I have no topic to speak in English. Not like that. So you have many topic to speak in English, because now, as for example, we can say that now I'm sitting in my room. There is my room where I have study, and in this room I can see many things around myself. So it can be English speaking topic, it can be this, it can be topic, it can be it, because this is pen. So if I want to talk in English, I can make a video about this pen. So this is the topic of my videos. So we don't shy to make videos. We have to practice regularly. We have to making videos regularly basis. If we are practice regularly, then we can easily make videos, and um, we can remove our shyness when we're talking in English. Even English speaking is very effective when we're talking with practically. Practically means when we're talking with our friends, family members, uh, and any other person. When we're practically, if we are talking, and we know that, uh, first of all, one thing I want to say, that is, English actually don't abide by grammatical rules. We should not follow, when we're talking grammatical rules. We should not, মানে 50%, 70%, 80% rules we don't apply when we're talking. Speaking English don't abide by grammatical rules. It's just a language. We have to think it's just a language, not any other things. As for example, we can say that from Bangla, if we think Bangla is a language, so Bangla is a language, we know that, but when we are born, uh, we are in the first time uh, we are talking our mother tongue, and we first learn the first language from my mom, my father. So regularly, when we are brought up, then day by day we are learning our mother language, mother tongue, Bangla. So it's going to be very easily for us. So as English is a language, we have to listen, we have to practice regularly, then we can easily achieve this uh, skill. English is a skill. This is an international skill. So if you want to go to abroad, if you want to go to uh, foreign country, then English is most important. Without English, you don't do anything. At the present time, English is so important, and we must learn English very easily. You can speak English, you can practice English. You can, if you learn English, then you can go to the YouTube, and you can find many videos in YouTube. Many effective videos you can find. So if you are try to learn English from those videos, you can try don't waste your time, because time is money. So if you are achieve your skill as like English speaking skill, this is a very important skill in our life. And if we are achieve this, our it gonna be changes our life. So it's very important. So I'm I have already started my journey to speak in English, and I am trying my best uh, to practice speaking English, because that's why I am gonna to make a video in front of the camera. That's uh, so that I can remove my shyness. This is the important things. At first, we have to remove our shyness. Uh, for shyness, we can't talk not a single word in front of the camera. So first of all, we have to shyness remove our shyness, and uh, to remove shyness, you have to practice more and more. Anywhere you go, so you just open the camera and make a video, and you just uses regular basic English. You can start it when you are making videos journey. So after day by day, you can develop your vocabulary skill. Day by day, you improve your pronunciation skill. Day by day, you can improve. So you just think that from the very beginning you have made a video, and after 1 month, after 7 days later, your video's quality totally different. You can identify that very easily. So thank you so much. No more today. Bye bye.